So we're here at Crane Neck Point. It's an example of a rocky intertidal habitat. Crane Neck Point is located on the north shore of Long Island. We are looking at Long Island Sound, and across Long Island Sound is Connecticut. This rocky intertidal habitat is the result of the last glacial age, where Long Island was about the southernmost point of the glacier, and as the glacier moved down, it pushed rocks and pebbles and so forth with it, and then when it retreated, it left behind a lot of material, including a lot of these large boulders, which are referred to as glacial erratics. You don't see rocky intertidal habitats on most of Long Island, maybe out in Montauk. So this is a great place to study rocky intertidal ecology. One of the things that I want you to first note is the change in coloration from the shoreline as we move up towards the bluff of the land. You can see that a large part of this rocks are covered with a brown seaweed, and then as we move further upland, the rocks are covered by a green alga. This is a good example of zonation, at least zonation in terms of these macroalgae. The rocky intertidal zonation, there are multiple factors that determine where organisms can survive. And one of the major factors is the tidal area. Okay, the lower the tidal area, the longer time organisms are bathed in seawater, and as you move up towards the land, the exposure to seawater becomes less and less. So we tend to think of physical factors as becoming more important, such as desiccation, exposure to high heat or cold, more important as you move away from the shoreline. So this is a form of zonation, and associated with the change in the macroalgae are also differences in the organisms that you might find.